Warning, watching this documentary might make you psychotic. The purpose of this documentary is to show you why Einstein was a moron, to free you from corporate slavery, to free you from death. Science is a lie. That is a fact. It is not debatable. Science enslaves you to death. Our corporate masters can only continue to enslave us if they can make us think we are insane, stupid. LACC is part of this corporate conspiracy to enslave you. Special relativity threatens the existence of the human race. Einstein said nothing can go faster than the speed of light. But if humans don't break the light barrier, the human race shall become extinct. It is probably too late for you. Not for me, but for you. What you see here is what I had to deal with to learn Einstein's special relativity. You see in figure 1, two inertial frames. That means they're not accelerating. Systems A and B, moving relative to each other at 80% the speed of light. Special relativity only works for inertial frames, things not accelerating. Einstein said all the laws of physics are the same for all inertial frames. This would come back to haunt him. As you see, when A and B's 0 points are opposite each other, a light wave is created between them. Special relativity allegedly explains how a light wave can move at the same speed for A and B, even though they are moving relative to each other at 80% the speed of light, 24 miles per second for this example, this thought experiment. Before Einstein, it seemed the light would have to be in two places at the same time to do so, as you see in figure 2. But Einstein said it is in one place at two different times. In figure 3, you see Einstein's reality. Figure 3 represents a picture taken of A and B by people on B as they pass by each other. Again, the speed of light is 30 miles per second. A and B's relative velocity is point AC, 24 miles per second. In figure 3, you see the clocks on A all read different times to somebody on B. And on A, they all read the same time, at the same time. This is called the disagreement of simultaneity. You see that 208.5 miles on A equals 125.1 miles on B. This is called space contraction. It is 5:3 ratio at 80% the speed of light. The time dilation is the same. You shall see time dilation in seconds. These are the equations that give the numbers you see on A. The Lorentz, Einstein, Einstein transformation equations. This is one of the equations solved. Note the solution for it is 1.39 seconds. You shall see that number come up in a few seconds. In figure 4, you see that the clock at A's 0 point reads 2.502 seconds. Remember, it read 0 time when the light wave was created. All the clocks on B read 4.17 seconds. Again, a 5:3 ratio. That is time dilation. You see A's 0 point is at B's 100.08 point. As expected, since 24 times 4.17 equals 100.08. You see the light is at B's 125.1 mile point. As expected, again, since 30 times 4.17 equals 125.1. You see the light at A's 41.7 point, but the clock there reads 1.39 seconds. 41.7 divided by 1.39 equals 30. The speed of light for this thought experiment. Einstein just changes the numbers so that wherever you see the light, the distance divided by the time equals 30, the speed of light. But you might ask, what do the people on A see? What do the people on system A see? They see the same thing, only in reverse. We know this because Einstein told us so. Einstein didn't understand what he was saying. We know this because of the first attack on special relativity, the twin paradox. He never saw it coming, and it was so obvious. He must have crapped his pants. In figure 5, you see what is really going on. Even with Einstein's BS, the light must still be in two places at the same time to move at the same speed for A and B. People on B may see time change on A. But since people on A don't agree, it is meaningless. The light must still be in two places at the same time.
Come on out, you cowardly physicists of LACC, and debate me! Einstein's special theory of relativity?
Well, it depends on what the debate's about.
Einstein's special theory of relativity.
That's a topic. That's not a debate. What's the debate?
Einstein's.
What's your point of view?
My point of view is it's the biggest BS ever produced by anybody in the history of the world.
Well, then I won't debate you because that's nonsense.
Thank you, Professor.
All right, take.
Come on out, you cowardly physicists of LACC, and debate me! You LACC cowardly physicists, you cannot hide from me. Come out and debate me.